Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty curly finger coil ends wig unit sent from Klaiyi hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the specs. So they sent over this no slip wig. As you guys could see, the reinforcement inside the wig cap construction. Again, this is a curly finger coil ends wig in 20 inches. This is also a 7x5 closure, and it is in 150% density. So just to let you guys know, although it is 150% density and I don't really care for 150% density wig units when it comes to certain hair companies, but I would say that this one is really full, you guys. So don't let the 150% steer you in a different direction, because it is a fuller wig unit. So I also want to let you guys know that I did go in and curl define this hair. So this is its natural hair texture and natural hair luster. I don't have any product in this hair, I guess, until maybe I do put some oils in it towards the end of this hair video. But yeah, so I'm just going in and tinting the lace, because as you guys could see, it is on the wider side. Of course, I'm using my Kiss palette. This thing is very much hit and pan, but it has lasted me for, at this point, I feel like several years. So it does a really good job with tinting the lace. Again, like I always say, it's just not matte, so you would definitely have to let it dry out and leave it open. So yeah, as you guys could see, this wig cap construction is really good. It looks really nice and seamless and blends with my natural hairline as well. So I really do like that about this wig unit. Again, this is a 7x5 closure, so you're not going to be able to get too many versatile styles out of this wig because it's not a frontal. So, if you are wanting that kind of thing, then you would definitely go with a bigger lace, because I think this wig is also available in a frontal. So yeah, I'm just going down the center with my foundation so that I can make the parting space a little bit more prominent. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys are wondering what my foundation is underneath, I have a low ball. I've been taking a break from braids or whatever, but I think I'm going to start back getting my braid downs or whatever. Anyways, I'm just making sure that I get the hairs out of the way when it comes to the hairline. I'm not doing any baby hairs today. We're not doing that today. Sorry, but I really do love baby hairs with curly hair. However, this is supposed to be more of like a put on and go type of wig. So I just wanted to make sure that I really just put it on and go and just fix it up and spruce it up. But as you guys can see, I just put on the hair oil. And I did that mostly because I wanted to kind of tame the hair a little bit more, because again, this is air dried hair. It is not diffused hair. And if you guys wanted to know how it is that I curl define this hair, I just use water. I didn't even wash it. I didn't use any products. I literally just drenched it in water, curl defined it, and that is pretty much it. You guys know that you can always find the hair products that I use in my hair videos on my Amazon storefront. And yeah, I am going in and doing a little bit of the curly finger coil ends, but again, I've done this type of thing already multiple times on my YouTube channel, and it is becoming a little bit more redundant. The only difference with this wig here is I just decided to wash the hair, or drench the hair and curl define the hair before I got on camera, so that you guys could see the natural curl pattern and the luster and shine of the wig unit. And I did do a couple of finger coils where I felt like it was needed, but it was only maybe like 4 to 6 strands, clumps of hair, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I really do love the natural luster of this hair. It looks really natural. So I really do recommend that you guys really go in and curl define your hair before you put it on. And yeah, that's how I got my hair fluffy. That's how I do it. And that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. So make sure you guys check the link down below if you are wanting this wig unit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You can go
keep your